How to reduce lag and improve performance in Shadow Fight 3. If your game is lagging, freezing, or has low FPS while playing the Shadow Fight 3 game, then you can easily fix them in a few simple steps. First of all, make sure that you restart your device. Turn off your device and wait for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it back on. This will clear out temporary memory and often reduces lag instantly. Once you're done with that, the next thing to do is to lower the in-game graphic settings. Launch open the Shadow Fight 3 game on your device, and from the home screen or the lobby page, go to the upper left corner and tap on the menu button. Once you do that, from the expanded menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to the Game tab and inside Game, look for the Graphic Quality option and tap on it. Set your graphic quality to minimal, low, or medium. I'm just going to select low. Once you do that, the lower graphic means smoother gameplay. So if you have a low-end devices, you can go ahead and choose this graphic quality setting in order to give your game a smoother gameplay. Once you do that, get back to the game homepage. While doing so, you need to confirm in the pop-up. The game will restart with the new graphic settings. And this time, you might notice a smoother gameplay. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to close off any background running apps on your device. Go ahead and open up the Recent App menu, drag upwards from the bottom of your device, and if there is any other background running apps, just make sure to close them off. After you do that, also make sure that your device has a stable internet connection, and once you do, you might be able to fix your lag issue in your Shadow Fight 3 game. So that way you can easily reduce lag and improve performance in Shadow Fight 3. If the problem still continues, then you can go ahead and update to the latest version of the app from your Google Play Store or the App Store in order to fix the issue. So those were some of the fixes you could follow. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.